Hey everyone, welcome back to the Shilpent. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of quartz crucibles. Whether you're a scientist, a hobbyist, or just curious about high-temperature tools, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from what quartz crucibles are, their uses, benefits, and even how to maintain them. So let's get started. Friends, you can buy quartz crucibles from our official store. Link is given in the description. Let's get back to the topic. First things first, what exactly is a quartz crucible? A quartz crucible is a container made from high-purity quartz, designed to withstand extreme temperatures and harsh chemical environments. Thanks to its unique properties, it's a go-to tool in industries like semiconductor manufacturing, solar cell production, and even jewelry making. So, what makes quartz crucibles so special? Here are three key properties. High thermal resistance. They can handle temperatures up to 1,600 without breaking a sweat. Chemical stability. They're non-reactive with most chemicals, making them ideal for sensitive processes. High purity. They don't contaminate the materials inside, which is crucial for industries like semiconductor manufacturing. Now, let's talk about where quartz crucibles are used. Here are some of the most common applications. Semiconductor manufacturing, for growing silicon crystals. Solar cell production, to melt and purify silicon for solar panels. Laboratory experiments, for high-temperature reactions and material testing. Jewelry making and metal casting, to melt precious metals like gold and silver. Why should you choose quartz crucibles over other materials? Here are the top benefits. They last longer than many other materials, even under extreme conditions. They can handle rapid temperature changes without cracking. They're suitable for a wide range of industries and applications. Not all quartz crucibles are created equal. Here's what to consider when choosing one. Make sure it fits your specific needs. Higher purity is essential for sensitive applications. Match the crucible to your industry or project. To get the most out of your quartz crucible, proper maintenance is key. Here are some tips. Use acids like hydrofluoric acid or specialized cleaners to remove residues. Keep it in a clean, dry place to avoid contamination. Always handle with care to prevent cracks or damage. While quartz crucibles are often used in professional settings, they can also be great for DIY projects like metal casting or small-scale experiments. Just make sure to follow safety guidelines and choose the right crucible for your needs. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to quartz crucibles. Whether you're using them in a lab, a factory, or at home, these tools are incredibly versatile and reliable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.